Hey everybody, this is 8006 Woodhaven in Rosedale. Check out how long this kitchen is. It is insane. I'm going to circle back, but we've got an addition on the back of the house here, family room, backs to nice private area, and special guest, Jeff the Realtor right there. There he is in the family room. This place is enormous. You got room for another table right here. You got all that family room space, and let's take another look at this kitchen. See it from the other side. In here, oh, we got a little pass-through. Call that the drive-through window. Laundry area right here, right off the kitchen. Very handy having that on the first floor. Formal living room for for your front door guests. And then full dining room, plenty of room for your Thanksgiving dinner. Let's go down the hallway. Let's see what we got. There's a closet. We'll skip that. Full bathroom right here. Here's the owner's suite. Big furniture. Plenty of room in here. Looks like a hot tub out back with a gazebo covered. Nice. Redecorated bathroom. Tons of room in that shower with a seat. Those seats are very popular nowadays. Lots of closet space. And another bedroom in here. The light on. Another bedroom here. That was the light on. And look at the closets, man. This house was definitely built for you to have some stuff. Little closet at the end of the hallway here. Now we're going to jump downstairs. I'm not going to jump though. Gorgeous foyer entryway here. Look at those windows. It's amazing. Really feels special when you come down. Coming down, got some luxury vinyl plank flooring down here. Look, Jeff the Realtor again. He's checking out the HVAC. What do we know about Lennox?
It's a great brand.
Yeah.
Great brand.
It's like the Cadillac of HVACs.
Yes, sir.
And we got the timeout room over there. We have to check out the timeout room. Got to check this baby out. What is in here? Hopefully nobody. Yep, sump pump. Could have guessed that. So, walk her back up. Space for extra fridge down here. Lots of storage. Workroom. I love to see workrooms in house. That means that the person was handy and they know how to take care of their house. Little office area down here. Obviously filled right now with stuff. Insulated as well. Family room. And kind of a little, with the curtains that come around, have a little makeshift bedroom down here. Kind of nice. Got plenty of space down here. And then, last but not least, you have shower and bathroom. So, hey, everybody, this guy is on the market right now. You can give us a call and come see her. She is for sale right now, and you got to call us for the details because I don't remember all the price and everything. So we're going to be doing an open house here this weekend, but don't wait. Call me at 443-226-0082. Cummings Co Realtors. See you soon.